In this update, we've added the ability to batch convert designs into long arm quilting formats. So now when you create a design that's going to be like a run stitch design for a long arm quilting machine to stitch out, you have the ability to take that design and automatically convert it into various long arm quilting formats. And so this could be something where you have multiple designs that you want to convert them all into a long arm format or multiple long arm formats. It'll give you the ability to do that. So to show you how this works, I'm going to go up to Tools on the menu bar and I'm going to click Batch Converter. So this batch converter is a very powerful tool that allows you to save designs into many different formats, and it'll save multiple designs at the same time into multiple formats. So you'll see that I have a folder selected here. This is the source folder. This is where you want to go when you're looking for designs, and I want to convert some designs that are in this long arm design folder, so I have that selected. You can choose where you want to save it to. Most of the time I save it into the source folder, and that means that it'll save it right back into the folder where the designs are located. And you have the ability to include subdirectories, so if there's subfolders inside of there, it'll convert all of the stuff in the original folder and in the subfolders. You have the ability to overwrite existing files, so if you're wanting to overwrite the designs in different formats, you can go ahead and do that, and you can select to rotate to fit to maximum hoop, which it'll be based on the format and the size of a hoop. So you have these different options. Most of the time I work with just the save in the source folder, and I'm going to show you the source formats. Is you can have multiple design formats in the folder, and you can choose this option of select all formats, or if you're really wanting to convert designs from one specific format into multiple formats, you can select it from this list. In the folder that I have here, I only have WAF files, which are native to the Floriani software, so I'm going to select that format. Next, you come over to the target formats, and this is where you choose all the different formats that you want to save the design as. So you have the ability to do PES files, SCW, EMD, JEF, HUS. You have all the formats that are really needed for any of the machines out there. There's a format that works with the machine. So if I come down to the bottom, this is where all of the long arm quilt formats are located. So DXF, PAT, CQP, HQF, IQP, and it tells you what format that is next to it, like PC Quilter, TXT, the QBot, PLT, SSD, and QLI. So you have the ability to select these formats, and so I'm going to go ahead and do just the quilting formats. So I'm going to select each one of those. And so just to recap, it's going to go to my computer to this folder, and it's going to look at all of the Floriani WAF files. This could have been any of them or all formats, and it's going to convert anything that's a Floriani WAF file into these formats right here. And so what I will do is I will hit convert at this point, and you'll see that it just runs through, grabs all the designs, and it's converting them all into the multiple formats. And so when I hit close, all of these designs are now formatted in the quilting format. So I'm going to bring this up because I'm going to go to the Floriani designs, and I had them go into the long arm designs, and you will notice that now I have these PAT files, CQP, DXF, and these are the original WAF files. And you can see that it saved the same designs over and over in multiple formats, and these are all formats for long arm quilting machines. So the batch converter is a very powerful tool. We utilize it all the time for saving designs that we create into multiple formats that can be put onto a disk and shared with others. So now with the ability to take these designs and save them into long arm quilting formats, it just adds a whole new level to the software, gives you the ability to easily do this, and we hope that you enjoy this tool and find a lot of uses for it.